Yeah, I think half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to put more salt, about half a spoon more. So it will be for one big aubergine and about 5 small tomatoes. Got to be one teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric and half a teaspoon of pepper. Takes a little bit longer. While this is cooking, I just wanted to say, cooking is art, is an art, like painting, like sewing, drawing, and any kind of art. Is anyone can cook, I believe, and anyone can create their own recipes. And if you cook, if you try to cook, you love it more and more to cook and create more recipes. I don't believe people say, oh, they can't cook. Anybody can cook. And homemade cooking is something else, different from the restaurants, from the stores. They're selling ready food. And if you cook your own dish, you know what you're cooking, what you're using, the ingredient. First of all, I believe, if you want your dish be delicious, you've got to make the ingredient nice and clean, and second, you've got to spend time for cooking. You can't just do like that, and just in a second you can't make nice food. You've got to make the ingredient ready, clean it, cut it, and spend time to make it. That's it. I just want to say that. So never say you can't cook. You can. Anybody can. Here is nearly ready. You just taste the salt, if it is enough. Not bad. So it's nice. I'm going to put eggs, 1 whole egg in this dish. You can mix 1 or 2, 3, how many you like, eggs, and mix it together with this. But some people like to have it without eggs. And if you put it like that, which I put it, anyone like egg, they have it with egg, or no, other people, they don't like egg, they have it just a plain mirza-qasemi. Anyway, try it, it's delicious, and you enjoy it. You can, as I said, eat it with rice, or just dip it with the bread. I just put I want to be quick. I don't want to make a video longer, so make little bit the egg cook. And then I serve it. I think it's ready. You don't have to make it hard. Make the egg hard. I'm going to serve it and show you how to look like. It's ready. It's ready. I try it. Nice. You love it. Believe me, make it. Bye for now.